Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stabilize your video using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to open up your InShot application and then you're going to create a new project here and you can upload a shaky video or the video that you want to stabilize using the stabilizer on InShot. And I'm just going to select a random video from my gallery. For example, I'm going to select this video. Let's say that this video is shaky, but in fact this video is not that shaky. Okay, and after you import your video, you can go to the stabilizer menu. Okay, right here. And here guys, you will have three options: low, standard, and most stable. Okay, and if this option hasn't appeared on your InShot, I recommend you to update your InShot because this is new feature on InShot. If you are Android user, you can go to Play Store and update the InShot. But if you are iOS user, you can go to the Apple Store and update your InShot. Okay, I'm going to select stabilize. Let's try this one, the low stabilizer. Okay, to stabilize your video, just simply click on the stabilizer and then wait for a moment until the stabilizer applied to your video. And now the low stabilizer is being applied. Okay, and I'm going to try standard as well. Wait, this is my original video. Okay, and I'm going to apply the most stable. Okay, and sorry guys, it makes no difference because my video already stable is already stable, so there is no difference. But it will be helpful if you have shaky video. The stabilizer can help you to make your video smoother. Okay, and then once you're done, you can go to the export menu here, and I recommend you to export in the highest resolution. You can select 4K and then you can export your video. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.